Hello friend, welcome to JTech. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off sensitive content on your X, previously called Twitter. So if you have situation that you want to turn on or off sensitive content on your Twitter account, then please keep watching this full video, and after that you will be easily fix this problem at your X. So let's start today's topic. Firstly, go to your X account. Now swipe it from left, and on the bottom you can see a setting and sports. Simply tap at here. Now tap at settings and privacy. Now page my screen, you can see bunch of different options, but you have to click on privacy and safety. Now at this you can find an option content you see. Simply tap at here. Now page my screen, you can see three options: explore more settings, search settings, and sensitive media. Simply tap at sensitive media. Now page my screen, you can see these three options: graphic violence, adult content, and other. Simply tap at adult content and tap at show all. Like this you can easily turn this on or off sensitive content from your X or previously called Twitter account. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it and share it with your friends and family members. And at the end, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.